back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a few personal organization tips and hacks. So I'm traveling to Europe for 2 weeks. I'm going to be going to Italy and Croatia. So I thought, why not just sit down and film a video and show you guys how I do all of my organization, how I pack my travel bag, a few tips and hacks to go with it. And yeah, before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. My social media handles are right here, you can follow me. And now let's get started. Now this one is one of my favorites because not only does it help in saving space, it also prevents your clothes from getting wrinkled. So just fold them this way and then put them side by side into your clothing pouch. And preferably try carrying more neutrals, which are black, whites, greys and beige, because these will just go with a lot more outfits. So carry more neutrals, keep them down below and then put all your colored ones on top. Zip it and keep that away. So the second one is the socks hack, and why I like this is because you don't need to carry the box of your perfume. You can simply take any breakable item. For me, it would be my perfume. I just slip that into the socks and this basically prevents the bottle from breaking. This also helps in saving space because you do not need to carry the box of the bottle to protect it. Okay, so instead of carrying full-size bottles, carry miniatures. Try getting miniatures or sample sizes of your products. And don't worry if you do not get miniature sizes, then all you need is this plastic disposable bottles. These come with a nozzle and a cap, and all you need to do is just empty your favorite makeup remover or any liquid product into it. So guys, if y'all are always afraid of your liquids seeping out or leaking out into your bag, you should use cling wrap over it. So just cover the opening of the bottle with cling wrap like this, and then you shut it and you'll see that no product is going to leak out at all. So then I am going to organize all of my toiletries into this pouch, adding some facial wipes and dental floss to it. So the other hack is that you can empty any of your foundation into contact lens cases. You're obviously not going to use the entire bottle on your trip, so you can take in as much as you like into the contact lens cases. And in case you need more, you can use another contact lens case. Trust me, this will help in saving a lot of space and you would not worry about the bottle breaking at all. So I always hate it when any of my powder products like compacts or highlighters break like this when I'm traveling. So all you need to use is a flat cotton pad like this. Now put that in between and shut it well. This will keep the box nice and secure so that there is no space and the product is not going to break when you're traveling. And now I'm just going to fit in all of my makeup into this pouch. So I always need to carry some hair accessories, bobby pins and straighteners when I'm traveling. I use Tic Tac boxes to put in bobby pins and U-pins in it. This way it does not get lost and it takes up a very minimal space. Also, what you can do is carry miniature sizes of your dry shampoo, of a comb and also of a straightener. Because I was going to a beach destination, I had to carry a lot of swimwear with me, so I also like folding all of my swimwear together. For your innerwear, try carrying more neutrals again, like nudes and blacks. And that is because these colors will not show under your top and it's just easier to pair with a lot more outfits. So here I'm packing all of my innerwear and swimwear together. Okay, so for your chains, you can start using straws, not plastic straws, but metal or paper straws. Just pass the chain through the straw and then hook it on the other side. This way, all of your dainty chains are not going to get locked into each other and they will stay tangle free. And for your earrings, you can use buttons. Now this is one of my favorite hacks. All you need to use is a medium-sized button for your bigger earrings. Pass it through and lock it together. Use a smaller button for the smaller earrings, and this way none of your earrings are going to get mixed up or get tangled. And then I'm going to put all of my jewelry into another pouch like this. I also ended up carrying a few finger rings with me as accessories, a few pair of sunglasses and some wristbands and bangles. There were not too many, so I put all of these into this pouch. I also carried one pair of black heels. I wasn't sure if I'm gonna be going out to a fancy place, so just to be sure, I carried these pair of black heels. Okay, so when it came to packing, I just rolled up all of my lowers and put it on one side like this. And then I put in my pouch with all of the tops in it and the lingerie in it. I put the toiletry bag on the side and the makeup pouches on the top. And I also carried 2 of these clutches just so that I will need them when I go out in the day. I also carried an extra laundry pouch for all of my used clothes. So I hope you guys had fun, and I hope all of these tips help you guys when you're traveling. If you want to know about my travel plans, you can follow me on my Instagram handle right here, and give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you guys very soon. Bye!